want to get more traffic for your website, for your YouTube videos, or for your blogs. So in this video, I want to share with you a really powerful strategy I'm using to get the lateral traffic, which is long tail keywords, right? So I remember when I first get started, I made a great mistake because I tried to rank on the keyword how to sell on Amazon. And because my website is new, it's actually really hard. So I tried to spend lots of money to optimize my articles, to get links. But guess what? Yeah, it's really hard for me to get ranked for those keywords. So I spent so much money on the keyword, but I didn't make much money from that keywords. So I feel frustrated. Then I learned about long tail theory. So they say that in any market, there are always two different types of keywords. The first one is those high competition main keywords. And also there are many low competition, low search value, long tail keywords. So most of the time, the main keyword have much more value, but the competition is like crazy. So yeah, even though it's really great if you can get ranked on those major keywords like how to lose weight, how to make money online, it's so hard to compete with those big guys, right? So if you just get started, instead of competing on those major keywords, it's smarter for you to try to create content for those long tail keywords. So for example, if the major keyword is how to lose weight, the long tail keyword can be how to lose weight for women under 30. So you can say, hey, who is going to search on that term? But actually, yes, there are some people who are going to search these kind of terms. So there's so many long tail keywords out there. So it's pretty long. It's just not like this piece. It's really long. So if you can create lots of content on the long tail keyword, over time, you can get more traffic than trying to compete on those major keywords. So that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.